People the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com, and my soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And here, the stick blender hot process soap did not go as planned. Instead of volcanoing a couple of times, I apparently didn't get it hot enough, so I literally cooked it on the stove. I was attempting to heat it up, and then I realized, wait a minute, it's on top of the stove. Why don't I just go ahead and cook it? Which is what I did. This is just the suds from what was left over after I, stuck it in the mold and scraped down the pot. There's a lot of lather. Now, of course, once that's done soaking, because literally the soap is cooked onto the sides, but once it's done, soaking and everything, I'm going to rinse that out and hit it with some good old-fashioned, the stuff that removes all the oil and grease off of the planet. And then I'm going to call it a day. Yeah. Well, actually, I'm going to call it a morning because it's like 1:30 in the morning. So basically what I'm doing now is my initial cleanup. The soap was cooked, so basically everything is safe. But for the parts that was from the initial mixing and all that, like this, that's not safe. Nor is this. So basically, I just have to neutralize a couple of basics, clean the kitchen later, but yeah. And this is going to go right in this hot soapy water. But I just thought I'd show you the soap. I took a couple of pictures of it. It looks exactly like, that's the original. That's the chef soap that was cold processed. So if you look at the chef soap that was hot processed, I'm going to tell you how I got it that smooth. It was starting to solidify as I got it in there, so some parts of it was, you know how hot processed soap gets those crusty bits? Well, I took some distilled water, poured it over the top, put on my nitrile gloves, and just literally smoothed it and pressed it down, and that's what gave me this effect. And then I forgot to put the orange grounds on the top, so I went to the blender, ground up some fresh ones, so that's why some of them are more orange than the other. Okay, that's the original orange grinds, or orange rinds rather, and those are the new ones. But no matter, because I have a jar of them, or a bowl of them ready to just go into the blender anytime I need it. Anyway, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com, and my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye.